Okay, so wasn't really planning on making a video about this, but I picked up these brand new spark plug wires, and I was so impressed by them, I had to make a video. I originally ran these guys right here, the Performance Distributors hot wires. I ran those in the car for, I think somewhere around 6 years. I got them off LMR. Decent wires, can't really complain too much about them. But I picked these guys up off of AutoWorks parts. And these are actual made in US, fully assembled per order. So these were made per order. They're 10 mil wire. Amazing quality. Like absolutely amazing quality. A 10 mil versus, I think these are an 8.5, I want to say. I think these are an 8 or an 8.5. These are an actual 10 mil wire, and they do have a heat protective boot on them. You can kind of see just a little bit of it. It's really, it's not the thickest in comparison to the heat protective boots on these wires, but that doesn't matter to me, to be honest. They're made to order, so when you order them, they're made exactly correct for your order, not stock lying around. So these are freshly made. It takes like 2 to 3 days for them to make them. I'm really impressed, like from the quality of the materials. These are amazing. I actually had to make a video off them. They're approximately 30 ohms a foot. These are like over 350. I ohms tested every single wires. I tested the new wires versus the old ones for ohms resistance. So these are the new wires. And then these are the live wires. So you can see upwards of almost 1,000 ohms on some of these wires. Really high ohms on the live wires. And then we look at the Taylor wires. Again, I have no idea how old they are. And look at them compared to the live wires. The Taylor wires pretty much are better except for that one wire on every other wire than the live wires. But the Scott's Performance wires that I got from AutoWorks just absolutely blow them all out of the water. No comparison. These are consistently averages about like 70 something ohms. They're just an amazing quality. I truly highly recommend these wires. Like, I am so far extremely impressed with the quality. The customer support where I got them from, AutoWorks parts, was also top notch. Zero complaints. Great people to deal with. I'm not sponsored. I know, what is it, Anderson? I know they sell a set that is also rated at 30 ohms a foot, which is, I'm going to be honest, they're probably could even be made by the same company that makes these. Along with their ones that they say are rated at 15 ohms per foot. But I paid significantly less than what Anderson has them listed for pretty much similar ohms ratings of that 30 ohms a foot. These, I think, worked out to, the set was, I think, $140, $130 US. And versus the Anderson, I think Anderson has the 30 ohms a foot ones listed at 230, I think. I could be wrong, somewhere around that 230. And I know the 15 ohm per foot wires that Anderson has is listed over 350. So, yeah, for just over 100, or for just under 150 bucks, this is an amazing deal. Highly recommend getting these wires. Okay, so I took the car out for a drive after getting these all installed, and I'm very impressed. there was quite a bit more throttle response. Not saying that it's fully due to the wires. It could be just these wires that I had in the car were going bad after about 5 to 6 years. Very well could have been those. But these are impressive. The car feels great now. It's definitely up on power. It feels strong. It's pulling really hard. It's got more throttle response, I found. So when you just kind of go in and stab it, it's got more oomph to it. I'm very impressed with them, and on top of that, they look absolutely amazing. And they grip on, like, I don't know if you can see it, look. They grip onto the thing so well, it's not funny. And even the boot, how tight the boot is to the cap, it is so tightly on there, and it's a definitive click when you put them on.